Legs are going crazy.
You don't want to mess with the Underman. No, 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 no. You don't want to mess with the Underman. No, 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 no.
Hey guys, Bendy282 here, and I'm at my grandma's place again. Today's her birthday, and just me and her today, but it's not gonna be as long as you think. But well, it's pretty windy, cloudy, like rain. Not sure. Can you say hi? So I'm just sitting on the bench, and look at the clouds. The wind is up to 22 miles per hour, I think, and yeah. And this above the tree is her building. It's really tall. She's on the 10th floor. And yeah. Jeez. Oops. Where to go? Right over there. Oh, there it goes. Look at the trees. Legs are going crazy. This is the only flag that I can see. The state flag. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I hope that you like this video, and yeah. Hang on, undo the video. Okay, so I hope that you like this video, and this is Bendy282. Bye.